I never knew. I just had to find my direction, get lost in your eyes. In this ukulele play along and sing along, we're going to do the hit song by Florida Georgia Line. By the way, this one's in 6/8 time. This one's called Second Guessing. Welcome to Ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. We're not going to spend a lot of time here. We're going to get to the play along with a killer backing track in just a second. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. And if you're digging what we're doing here, want to show us a little love, you can do that by smashing the like button and leaving a comment below. All right, so this one's going to be in 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. If you need help with this, I have a full tutorial on this song as well. This one's just going to be the play along with the backing track. And if you want the sheet music, the lyrics, the chords to this, and also the backing track, we give that to all our Patreons, patreon.com/ukelikethepros for that. All right, what else do we need to know? We're going to be in the key of G for this one. You're going to have the lyrics and everything right here on the screen. And like I said, if you become a Patreon, you can grab that stuff. Or if you just want the sheet music, the chords, lyrics, we'll put a link below for that. All right. All right. I think that's about it. Let's go ahead and play it and see how we do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blame it on my youth or my rebel roots or the corner booth I caught home. 1 foot out the door, always stopping short just before the fork in the road. Couldn't jump into the deep end. I was always overthinking every minute, every hour, every weekend. But since I met you, I ain't spent 1 second guessing. I made up my mind. I never knew. I just had to find my direction, get lost in your eyes. Because I've turned days into night and spent all of my life asking questions. Now I don't spend 1 second guessing. Turned on the lights, opened up my eyes to a world that I'd never seen. I ain't looking backward about the past or the future when you're with me. Now I'm swimming in the deep end. Ain't no need for overthinking. Girl, you've given life a brand new kind of meaning. But since I met you, I ain't spent 1 second guessing. I made up my mind. I never knew. I just had to find my direction, get lost in your eyes. Because I've turned days into night and spent all of my life asking questions. Now I don't spend 1 second guessing. 1 second guessing. Since I met you, I always know right where I'm heading. No doubt in my mind. I never knew. I just had to find my direction, get lost in your eyes. Because I've turned days into night and spent all of my life asking questions. Now I don't spend 1 second guessing. I don't spend 1 second guessing. 1 second guessing. 1 second guessing. All right, so how did you do on that one? Whew, there's a lot of lyrics in that one. You got to really kind of get your breathing in the right spots if you're singing it. But leave a comment below, 1 to 5, 1 meaning you need some work, 5 meaning no problem. You got it. Had a great time playing this song. By the way, I was doing this one on my Koa concert, Koaloha, and do have a pickup on this one. You can check these out, store.ukelikethepros.com if you're ready for a new ukulele. So besides that, get to sheet music and stuff like that. Check out our Patreon page for that. And then if you're digging what we're doing, if you like me, you like my style, check out ukelikethepros.com. We got fantastic courses and a killer premium membership. Come be part of the Ukulele Pros Nation. That's going to do it for this one. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for all the support, and we'll see you in the next one.